Welcome to Rose Finance. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting basics, equipping you with the essential tools and strategies to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Budgeting might seem daunting, but it's a fundamental step towards achieving financial stability and peace of mind. By understanding your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about your spending habits and allocate your funds effectively. What is budgeting? In simple terms, budgeting is the process of planning your income and expenses to ensure that you're living within your means. It's like creating a roadmap for your finances, helping you navigate the financial landscape with clarity and confidence. Why is budgeting important? Budgeting offers a multitude of benefits, including gaining control over your finances. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain a clear understanding of your financial situation, empowering you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. Achieving your financial goals. Budgeting helps you align your spending with your financial aspirations, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, eliminating debt, or building a secure retirement fund. Reducing financial stress. Budgeting alleviates the stress of uncertainty by providing a structured approach to managing your finances, helping you avoid financial pitfalls and achieve peace of mind. How to create a budget. Creating a budget is a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Here's a step-by-step guide. Track your income. Gather information about all sources of income, including your salary, wages, investments, and any other regular inflows of money. Track your expenses. Record your expenses for a period, such as a month, to identify where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essentials, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities and groceries, and non-essentials, such as entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Subtract expenses from income. Compare your total income to your total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to adjust your spending habits or find ways to increase your income. Create a spending plan. Allocate your income to different categories, such as housing, food, transportation, savings, and debt repayment. Ensure that your spending plan aligns with your financial goals. Review and adjust your budget regularly. As your income or expenses change, revisit your budget and make adjustments as needed. Budgeting is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Additional budgeting tips. To make the budgeting process even smoother, consider these tips. Set realistic goals. Don't try to drastically change your spending habits overnight. Set achievable goals and gradually adjust your spending patterns. Use budgeting tools. There are numerous budgeting apps and online tools available that can simplify the budgeting process and track your progress. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to ensure that you're saving consistently. Seek professional guidance. If you feel overwhelmed or need personalized advice, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. Budgeting is not about deprivation or restriction. It's about empowering yourself to make conscious choices about your finances. It's about aligning your spending with your values and aspirations, creating a financial blueprint that supports your goals and dreams. As you embark on your budgeting journey, remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Embrace the learning process, make adjustments along the way, and celebrate your achievements. With dedication and perseverance, you can transform your financial situation and achieve financial freedom. By mastering budgeting basics, you're unlocking the door to a brighter financial future. You're gaining control over your finances, empowering yourself to make informed decisions, and paving the way for a life of financial stability and fulfillment. Now let's delve into a common budgeting method called the 50-30-20 rule. This simple yet effective guideline can help you allocate your income effectively and achieve your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into three categories. 50% for needs. This category covers essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation, which are crucial for your daily living. 30% for wants. This category caters to non-essential expenses like entertainment, dining out, and hobbies, allowing you to enjoy life's pleasures without overspending. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This category is dedicated to building your financial future by allocating funds towards savings, investments, and debt repayment. The 50-30-20 rule provides a flexible framework for allocating your income, but it's important to adapt it to your unique circumstances. For instance, if you have high-interest debt, you may need to temporarily adjust the percentages to prioritize debt repayment. Remember, budgeting is a personal journey and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different methods, find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. By consistently tracking your income and expenses, you gain valuable insights into your spending patterns and identify areas where you can make adjustments. This empowers you to make informed decisions about your finances, ensuring that you're living within your means and achieving your financial goals. Budgeting is not a rigid set of rules. It's a dynamic tool that can adapt to your changing financial needs and aspirations. As your income increases or life circumstances change, revisit your budget and make necessary adjustments. Budgeting is an ongoing process that requires discipline and commitment, but the rewards are immense. By taking control of your finances, you gain peace of mind, reduce financial stress, and create a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. So embrace budgeting, embrace financial discipline, and embrace the power to shape your financial destiny. Remember, you have the power to transform your financial situation. Start your budgeting journey today and unlock the path to financial freedom. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial situation and empower you to achieve your financial goals. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining Rose Finance on this journey towards financial empowerment. Remember, budgeting is an empowering step towards financial freedom. Embrace the process, stay disciplined, and watch your financial dreams come true.